Throughout modern history, the former Soviet Union and today's Russia have always been a land power. Soviet leaders wrestled with the idea of an aircraft carrier, and eventually with the advent of hybrid aircraft carriers, which were both aircraft carriers and cruisers. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Russia inherited a large aircraft carrier, and it remains to this day. In the past, the Soviet Union devoted much effort to developing aircraft carrier early on, but a lack of resources and a military philosophy that emphasized the importance of land power made serious investment an impossibility. During the Cold War, the Soviet Navy's first successes were the Moscow and Leningrad, a pair of helicopter carriers designed primarily for anti-submarine warfare. These ships, displacing 17,000 tons, and carry 18 helicopters each. Moscow entered service in 1967 and Leningrad in 1969. The Moscow's class ships were succeeded by the Kiev-class cruisers, closer to actual carriers. With a displacement of 45,000 tons, the 4 Kiev-class ships can carry 30 helicopters and yard 38 vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. These ships ended their careers when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991. Some were scrapped, some were bought by Chinese businessmen as floating casinos, and one last refurbished and sold to India as the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. During the 1980s, the Soviet Union built the first 2 rear aircraft carriers, and one of them is the only aircraft carrier in the Russian Navy today, and was renamed Admiral Kuznetsov. The other was sold to China as scrap, and China repaired the Liaoning. The Kuznetsov aircraft carrier has a displacement of about 60,000 tons, can carry 40 helicopters and 25 MiG-29K and Su-33 jet fighters. Like previous Russian aircraft carriers, the Kuznetsov is also armed with heavy anti-ship missiles, making it an aircraft carrier with all-round defensive capabilities. However, incidents have occurred consecutively with the Kuznetsov during its operation, especially serious problems with the engine. The reason is attributed to lack of operating funds, but according to analysts, the main reason is that the Russian Navy has no experience in operating aircraft carriers. In 2016, the Admiral Kuznetsov participated in a number of combat operations for 2 months in the Syrian battlefield. Although it was not long, but Kuznetsov lost 2 fighters to the accident, a MiG-29K and a Su-33. To support Kuznetsov, Russia attempted to purchase a pair of French Mistral helicopter amphibious assault ships, but Russia's annexation of Crimea forced France to cancel the contract. Currently, Kuznetsov is seen only as a warship for influence and prestige. rather than combat ability. During the Soviet era, many aircraft carrier projects were cancelled because of disagreement on development strategies. So did the Russian Navy. At one point, President Dmitry Medvedev suggested that Russia could build and operate 6 aircraft carriers by 2025. Obviously, that's not happening at all. Currently, the Russian Navy plans to build the Project 23,000E Storm aircraft carrier, a 100,000 tons nuclear-powered super carrier. It will be equipped with electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMARS, and many other modern technologies. But surely for many years to come, Russia will not be able to build such a ship. Currently, the Russian Navy's air power is gradually decreasing to zero. When the Kuznetsov aircraft carrier is old and in poor condition, not even any aircraft carrier is about to be built. The Russian shipbuilding industry has not been able to build a warship of the size and technology of the Kuznetsov during the Soviet era. If Russia determines that it needs an aircraft carrier to keep up with France, Great Britain, China, and India, it will need to start seriously considering building or purchasing such a ship. My video about why did Russia never become an aircraft carrier superpower answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.